Think about what's happened at the beginning of this year. The FANG stocks have continued to take off. Some of them have hit record highs. Are there more opportunities in technology that have yet to be unlocked? And so I think it's going to be important for the investor to stop thinking about the market overall, for reasons that I think Larry makes really good points, and let's start thinking about what are the big trends and what's likely to be the winner going forward. And that's one of the reasons that many people think that the next decade might be a period when active management and stock picking comes to the fore, as opposed to
the last decade
happened.
Certainly wasn't that, Larry.
Certainly was not.
It was all passive.
Roger's much more optimistic about active stock picking. There may be some hedge funds who make some money in active stock picking. There'll always be a few managers who outperform. But I think your listeners would be making a serious mistake if they were to think that they were going to consistently outguess the market. And I think I'm probably a little less optimistic than Roger is about corporate earnings, whether it's bipartisan agreement on the need to regulate pharmaceutical prices, or increasing enthusiasm coming from both political parties for increased regulation of technology, or a growing sense of the need for more environmental regulation, or a sense that, if anything, we've gone too far on corporate tax cutting and that might get reversed. All of those things say to me that the public policy environment, which in many, many ways, particularly since President Trump came into office, has been a big tailwind for corporate earnings. I think corporate earnings are going to hit a variety of headwinds, whatever happens to the overall economy going forward. So I'm less optimistic, and yeah, there'll be some areas of the market that will outperform, but whether we're going to be able to pick those in advance, I'm not nearly as optimistic about that.